up everyone. So I gotta test this stuff out for work and whatnot. So I thought might as well test it out with a game that everyone knows how to play. Quick game of Minesweeper. Should take me like 2 to 3 minutes to either win or lose. I mean, I know it's just a test one, but I kind of want to win. Like, let's be honest. I don't put this much work into something to not win it. And for some reason, if Wireless sees this, I want to see how good he's gotten at this game. Because I bet he hasn't played it in a while. But I remember back in Whiskey, back in high school, he used to give me a run for my money. He was the only one I knew who could pick up on it so fast and then whoop my butt. Back in we had we had wood shop together and art class together, and there's computers in both of those old school box computers, and this was like one of the only games. And we both learned how to play it. I actually already knew, but he learned how to play it pretty quickly. And then next thing I know, he's like beating my high scores. And we're not having that anymore. We're not. We're not. There's no way. Oh, this is unfortunate. There we go. There we go. Okay, okay. Yikes. Move on to the next area. I'm gonna win this one. I feel pretty good about it. Feel pretty good about it. I get halfway done and then I'm like, geez, oh Pete. There's so much more to do. Y'all never played Minesweeper before. Super fun logic game. It's basically just, okay, understanding that the numbers correlate with how many mines it's touching. And every time I right click, I'm putting down a mine. And that just indicates where I know one to be. Like this two, one of these two have to be one. So one of these two and one of these two. One of these, 5. Probably not that one. Ooh, one of those two really could be one. And then one of those has to be it. So that one has to be. Okay, okay, okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. That's not one. That has to be that. One of those have to be one. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Now, despite what you guys are thinking, I've only guessed once, and that's towards the very beginning of it. Sweet, got that corner done. Let's keep looking. Alright, these ones should help out. I know. Ooh, that's a tough one. Alright, one of these two have to be. If that's not it, that's it, that's... Okay, looks like I should win this one. There it is. Oh, 3 minutes, 20 seconds. Alright, not too shabby. Well, let's wrap up this recording and see how well it went. Alright. Peace.